Namaste, divine beings. I am Nandhiji. Over the last 2 decades or more, I had been building the framework, the community, and the platforms for consciousness. With consciousness, we stimulate innovation, growth, ability to look forward to the future. In today's moment, intelligence, the reach of IT as information, and AI with knowledge comes together with consciousness to incredibly expand our potentials. India would more than perform its goal set for global leadership in 2047. So looking forward to your presence. For Business Today, India at 100.